Hello everyone. Today we will discuss phylum Hemichordata. Phylum Hemichordata. So the phylum Hemichordata, it is also called half chordates. It is also called as half chordates. So the hemichordate means it is also called as half chordates. And next one, so in this hemichordata, in the early stages, it is considered subphylum of chordata. So the early classification time, so they are the hemichordata is the subphylum of the phylum chordata. So this hemichordata is the subphylum of the chordata. So the hemichordata is considered to the subphylum of the chordates. In a new classification, hemichordata is separate phylum. So they are in the new classification time. So the hemichordata is considered to the new phylum. In the early classification time, the hemichordata is the subphylum of the phylum chordata. In the new classification, so the hemichordata is considered of the hemichordata, new phylum hemichordata. Next one, general characters. So the general characters, first one, habitat. So they are living in a marine water. They are living in a marine water. So the habitat means their living place. So these phylum hemichordata animals living in a marine water. Next one, level of organization. So the level of organization is the organ system level of organization. Organ system level of organization. Next one, symmetry. So the symmetry is a bilateral symmetry. Symmetry is a bilateral symmetry. Next one, germ layers. So the germ layers are the triploblastic. Triploblastic means they contain three germ layers: outer ectoderm, middle mesoderm, and inner endoderm. Next one, coelom. So the coelom is the enterocoelom. Coelom is the enterocoelom. So they are the habitat. So they are living in marine water. Next one, level of organization, organ system level of organization. Next one, symmetry, bilateral symmetry. Next one, germ layers. So they are triploblastic means they contain three germ layers: outer ectoderm, middle mesoderm, and inner endoderm. Next one, coelom. So they are the coelom is the enterocoelom. Next one, a body contain three parts: body divisions. body divisions. So the body divided into three divisions. Body divided into three divisions. One is the proboscis. One is the proboscis. Second one is the collar. Second one is the collar. One is the proboscis. Second one is the collar. Third one is the long trunk. Third one is the long trunk. Long trunk. So they are the body. So the hemichordates body. So the body divided into three regions. One is the proboscis. Second one collar. Third one trunk. Proboscis, collar, and trunk. Next one. So the stomachord. Next one, stomachord. Stomachord. So the stomachord extends from the proboscis. Stomachord extend from the proboscis. Extend from the proboscis. So the stomachord early. So the it was a stomachord is also called as a notochord. Is considered to the notochord. Stomachord is considered to the notochord. Stomachord is considered to the notochord. Stomachord is considered to the notochord. So these based on this notochord. So these are the subphylum of the chordates. Subphylum of the chordates. First classification. So the based on the notochord. So they are the subphylum of the chordata. Next one, respiration. Next one, respiration. So the respiration takes place through the paired gill slits. Paired gill slits. Respiration through the paired gill slits. The respiration through the paired gill slits. So they are the respiratory structures are the one paired gill slits are the respiratory organs of the hemichordates. Next one, circulation. Next one, circulation. Next one, circulation. So the circulation is a open type of circulation. Circulation is open type. Circulation is the open type of circulation. Circulation is the open type of circulation. Heart is presenting in dorsal side. Heart is dorsal side. Heart is dorsal side. So the circulatory system is the open type of circulatory system. Next one, heart is dorsal side. Next one, reproduction. Next one, reproduction. So the reproduction is the sexual reproduction. Reproduction is sexual reproduction. Reproduction is sexual reproduction. Development is indirect. Development is indirect. Development is indirect development. Development is the indirect development. So these are the general characters of the phylum hemichordata. Example, belanoglasses. Example, belanoglasses. Example, belanoglasses. Once revised. So they are the. It is also called as half chordates. Hemichordates is also called as half chordates. In the early classification, so the hemichordata is considered to the subphylum of the chordata. Next one, so the new classification time, the hemichordates are the separate phylum. Next one, general characters. Habitat, marine water, level of organization, organ system level of organization, symmetry, bilateral symmetry, general layers are the triploblastic. Next coelom is the enterocoelom. Body divisions, the body divided into three divisions, proboscis, collar and long trunk. Next one, the respiratory organs are the paired gill slits. Paired gill slits are the respiratory organs. Circulation is the open type of circulation. Heart is dorsal side, heart presenting in the dorsal side. Reproduction is sexual reproduction and development is indirect development. Next one, hemichordata classification. Phylum hemichordata classification. Next one, phylum Hemichordata classification. Phylum Hemichordata classification. So the phylum Hemichordata divided into two classes. Phylum Hemichordata divided into two classes. Class 1 Enteroneusta. Class 1 Enteroneusta. Class 1 Enteroneusta. Class 2 Petrobranchi. Class 2 Petrobranchi. Class 1 Enteroneusta, Class 2 Petrobranchi. Enteroneusta and Petrobranchi. So the Enteroneusta example Belanoglassus. Enteroneusta example Belanoglassus. Petrobranchi example Rhabdopluria. Rhabdopleura. Example Rhabdopleura. Example Rhabdopleura. One example is the Belanoglassus. Another one example Rhabdopleura. Another example Rhabdopleura. So they are the classification. Phylum Hemichordata divided into two classes. Class 1 Enteroneusta. Class 2 Petrobranchi. Enteroneusta example Belanoglassus. Petrobranchi example Rhabdopleura. Petrobranchi example Rhabdopleura. So they are the invertebrate classes is completed. Porifera complete, Nidera complete, Ctenophora completed, Platyhelminthes completed, Annelida, Arthropoda, Mollusca, Echinodermata, Hemichordata. So these all the phylums are completed. Next start earthworm.